Hello everyone, welcome to Vivian's Kitchen. Today I'm making delicious chocolate cake that you'll ever make. Let's get started. Half cup cooking oil, 1 cup milk, 2 eggs, and 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Mix it. I'm gonna do a dry mixture. Mixture 2 cups flour, half cup sugar, 2/3 cocoa, 1 teaspoon salt, 2 teaspoon baking powder, 1.5 teaspoon baking soda. Mix. Now we're gonna pour the wet mixture. One teaspoon espresso powder. I'm using Morning Blend coffee. Hot boiling water. Mix them together until thoroughly combined. Then I divided I divided 2 cups each. Sprinkle just a little bit of flour. Same process, spray with non-stick cooking spray. Lightly flour. Preheat oven to 350 Fahrenheit, bake for 25 to 30 minutes. When toothpicks comes out a little moisture, it's done. Right, let's make frosting. 2 cups powdered sugar, 8 tablespoons softened butter, 2/3 cup cocoa powder, pinch salt, and then 1/3 cup milk. 1 teaspoon vanilla. Spread the frosting evenly. Next, put on the top and then spread the frosting evenly. So good. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe, share, and comment. See you next video. Bye!